How to find your user ID on Discord. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can find your user ID on Discord. So if you want to find your user ID on your Discord, you have to follow this step. So before you can see your user ID, you need to enable your develop mode in the Discord app. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to open up your Discord app here. So if you haven't installed your Discord app, you have to navigate to your Google Play Store or Apple Store to download the Discord on your device. Once you have find your Discord, just tap on the install option and install this Discord on your device. Also, you can go back and navigate to your Chrome, and here you can simply type the Discord. Once you have typed Discord, here you can see the Discord link. You can open in your browser too. Once you have been successfully logged into your Discord, here you have to find the setting of your Discord. Just tap on your profile icon of your setting, or you can see the on the bottom. Here you can find the gear icon. You have to simply tap on that. Once you have tapped on the gear icon of your Discord here, you have to simply find the developer mode here on your Discord. So here you can see that you have to enable your streamer mode after that. So once your developer mode or streamer mode is enabled in the Discord, you have to go for your my account. So on your account, your user ID is here. You can simply see that. So just go and you can see your user ID here. You can see your username or user ID here on your Discord like this. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily find your user ID of your Discord. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.